Bhavani, stop drinking. We need it for the game. Can we have Bhavya joining in soon?
Soon.
चलो तो 2 दिन में हम खेल लेंगे यार, लेकिन जरूरत नहीं से.
Exactly.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kashish Navsariwala. We have Bhavya and Bhavani Sharma with us, and the video is going to be Never Have I Ever. So once they just get used to this, we are going to tell you all what the rules are going to be like. So yeah, तुम लोग पीना मत करो.
It has to be.
Bhavani,
Wait, at least show me your
I just
glass or
said
something.
everything is fine with me.
Don't talk to me.
I knew it.
I'm out of here.
So guys, for today's video, we have a fun challenge and I have 2 special guests with me, Bhavya and Bhavani. Now, if I literally have to describe my relationship with them, they are somebody who have seen me grow quite literally, and we have had loads and loads of memories. So I'm sure y'all are going to get So I'm sure that y'all are going to get a lot of content and gossip out of this entire video. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, first presenting you to the so-called elder twin. That's Bhavya.
Hi.
And then next we have Bhavani.
Hi.
So yeah, now we are going to directly dive into the video. So we are going to play the Never Have I challenge. And yeah, so we are going to directly start with the first statement / question. Never have I ever ridden a bicycle. So anybody who has done it would take a sip.
So this is a trial question, no?
Yeah, we can say that. That's okay. Okay, moving on to the next one. Never have I ever used a fake ID. Come on.
Pretty common. Everyone has. Come on. And if you haven't, then I think you should make one right now.
Yeah, just do that.
I guess we've crossed that
Again,
age.
guys, we are just like into our so-called teens, adulthood, so don't listen to us. Never have I ever faked a relative's death to get out of a situation.
No, I haven't.
So a bit of a background, I used to do it when we had these activity days in school and I didn't feel like going to it, and I would be like, you know what, either I've got cramps or either something happened in
Typical.
my family and I have to go home.
Typical.
Okay, next. Never have I ever let go a situation even when I knew that the opposite person was lying.
So I didn't get the question.
So anybody, you knew that the opposite person is actually saying something false and you know the true story, but you just let it slide. You didn't, go and
I don't let go of anything in life. Dushman mein paal leti.
So you didn't have to drink because you did because
Oh, see, that's why I said I'm not good at this game. I don't know when to drink.
Anyway, guys, you're just going to let Bhavya slide from this one. So anyway,
Okay, so if you have done it, you've let go of it, right? So yeah.
You let go. I think so let go, everyone let go sometime. It's not like I hold on to it.
Rather than arguing with the person, I would rather have my peace of mind, and I'd be like, yaar, jhoot bol lo, yaar, kya farak padta
This question is not valid because it's on the situation. Sometimes you let go, sometimes you don't let go.
We are going to listen
it depends
to
on
your
the
classes later on. Okay, keep quiet. Bhavani, you were saying
But
something.
This is a very unfair question. This makes no sense.
Okay, Bhavya, for part 2, we will note this. Yeah, Bhavani, you were saying something.
Next question.
Okay. Okay, next is never have I ever shipped 2 teachers from my school. I think anybody who was in PGGS, they have done this. Shipped as in like your Hindi
Done
teacher,
what?
PT teacher, shipped 2 teachers from your school. Name our teachers, but I think everybody in our school did that.
Yeah, everyone did that.
Never have I ever broken a bone.
Does a crack count?
Yeah, obviously. That's broken, Bhavya.
So you guys, wait, Kashish, you did?
Yeah, because I have gotten like a ligament tear and a sprain and stuff.
Hey, ligament tear, I also
That's
got.
why I said
Okay.
sprain also, no?
Okay,
You're
ligament tear
having-
counts and sprain counts and hairline fracture counts.
Yeah, I think
So I'll drink to it.
Still, no, God, have I not done enough in life?
Okay. Never have I ever gotten hungover. Come on, guys.
You
Be
know what
honest.
is funny?
Be
You
honest.
think I will, you know what's funny is, you think I will answer this question.
Okay, don't answer it like I don't mind. Next, never have I ever skipped out on a bill.
Skipped out on a bill. Me?
Mean.
Bill, B-I-L-L, bill.
What does that mean?
Very
Well,
right.
you
Let us
had
see
to
the
pay some
bill.
bill, but you just walked off. You didn't pay the bill. You just let it go.
Hey, no. I feel too guilty to do something like that because ऐसा वो वाला है कि I don't know. I'm not going to explain it, but I'll tell you later. I can't do it.
No,
I have
Order
to.
sort of, yeah.
So none of us have done it. Okay. Never have I ever re-gifted a gift. So somebody gave you a gift and you just pass it on to somebody else.
Which Indian person doesn't do it? Everyone does it.
Have I ever gone an entire day? No. Never have I ever spent 24 hours without taking a shower. I think us
Yeah,
playing
very,
basketball
very
in school was,
natural.
I think that was enough.
Yeah, very natural.
Have you gone to college, Kashish? Everyone. No one
I
takes
would
a
like
bath.
to say yes to that, however short or longer the period was. Next, never have I ever had a crush on a senior or junior from school.
From school.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's very natural. I think again, it's a very
But well,
common
you need
thing.
to stop
So
justifying
what? If I
whenever
have
you're
had,
drinking.
I'm supposed to drink or not drink?
If
Okay.
you've had a
See,
crush,
it's a very common thing. I don't think so. There is.
Hmm,
can you stop
everyone hits a
justifying?
puberty at some point.
It's
in time.
not helping.
I hope everyone does.
So, okay, next, never have I ever became a teacher's pet so as to stay out of trouble. Well, you know, we had those kids who used to go and just butter any teacher.
No,
Yeah,
no,
me
no.
neither.
No, yeah, no.
No,
I guess we
I
were too
haven't.
shameless to be even do. We never even tried. Okay.
Next,
No, I think you become a pet automatically. I don't think so. You.
no, I mean, we
Mm,
had.
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah, I get it.
Some people
Yeah.
literally try.
Yeah.
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 No.
Okay, next. So never have I ever lied to anybody about with which person I was with. It could be anybody, your friend, your family, as in at the moment. If you were with somebody and you said, "Okay, no, I'm with this friend." So yeah.
I have.
However, never have I ever left someone on read. These are like my cheap thrills, you know.
Listen, I've done that also, and my books are also off. So I don't care. I always leave people.
I think people like you are numb to any kind of situations. जिन लोग का blue ticks off होता है, I'm like, dude, कैसे तुम लोग anxious नहीं होते
Yeah, I
हो?
don't understand those
कि
people.
तुमको पता है कि चल
But I
power
guess
to
it
reply
works.
is in your hand. No, the power to reply should be in your hand.
Number to be.
There's your force, no? To reply as soon as you read. What if I don't
Yeah.
want to? What if not? I just.
Okay. Next. So next is never have I ever told my friend's crush that my friend had a crush on them. Always forever with this person that I would want to go and tell that
Kashish,
person.
I think you should take. You should. No. I think you should just drink the
You should
entire.
take like 10-15 sips on this.
Yeah, drink the entire.
I don't know for how many
I
people you've
used
done.
to get kicks out of it. Like I wanted to be that Cupid for my friends. That you know what, you want this guy, you get this guy. You want that girl, you get that girl.
But I guess there were times when the friend didn't want you to
No,
be
I
a
think-
Cupid and you did that anyway. So.
Okay, moving on to
Good.
next. So never have I ever been an alibi for a lying friend.
The what?
I think everyone does that at some point for a friend, right?
What did what?
Basically, never have I ever been an alibi for a lying friend. That somebody lied and you just went with it.
Which question are we on? Number.
Of course.
You all want to guess?
I don't know. 7th, 8th,
No.
9th.
We are far from that. You should see our glasses. Everybody raise your glasses so we know that.
Bro, I either I'm taking like big sips because I am almost done.
Are you?
The next question is, never have I ever peed in a pool. It could be any time, okay? Like when you are a kid, anywhere, anytime.
Ocean, sea count?
Everywhere,
Not
okay?
pool,
Any
but-
water body.
Yuck.
Okay.
If I would have done that, I would have not stayed in that place.
So why did you drink?
So if I did it, I'm not supposed to drink.
Bhavini,
No,
we
wait,
are
if
on,
I'm not-
like,
We
no.
are like far in the game.
What is happening?
Bhavini.
Yeah.
If I didn't do it, I'm not
So
supposed
if
to
you
drink.
did it, you
But
drink
then
it.
you did the thing.
Yeah,
I
because
didn't
you're
drink-
owning
do-
up to
I
what
didn't
you
do
did
it.
and you're drinking. Waisa hai.
Don't drink it. If you did not do
Okay,
that
then
thing, don't
frame
drink
the
it.
question again, so I'll not drink it. Because I
It's
could.
okay, guys. I think audience
Because of-
all got it, right? That Bhavini has never peed in a pool. I think it's clear for them.
You know,
We got it,
But
Bhavini.
because of Bhavini,
No,
this
yeah.
retakes, because of these retakes, no, I have finished most of my trip because of this.
Go and fill
Okay.
your tea again.
Quickly moving on to the next one. Never have I ever snooped or swiped or scrolled through anybody's phone. Obviously, without them not knowing or just slyly doing it. I'm just gonna drink.
I and Bhavini do that all the time with each other.
Never have I ever abused somebody in Hindi. I think that
Not
gives
on face.
me a lot of. See, listen, any kabhi bhi kidhar bhi, it's counted, okay?
Anywhere. Bhava, come on, yeah.
Drink it,
Drink,
come
huh?
Obviously.
Please. Seriously.
Okay. Now, finally, drum rolls for the last and the finale question. So, guys, literally, all are going to know, okay, that who you're really messed it up. Okay. So, never have I ever lied in a never have I ever game.
I did not lie right now because the questions were clean, thankfully. So I did not lie.
No, I have not lied in this one.
Okay, good
In
to
this
go.
one, I haven't.
So yeah, guys, this was it for this video. Now the final moment that we all are waiting for. Who,
I'm
which
not
one of
supposed to drink
us
a lot of
has
it.
drank
Oh,
it
God,
the
no.
least? This is me. Okay, it's obviously Bhavini.
No. Either look at the glass ka size.
Keep quiet, it's you.
Yours is broader, so you have okay.
No, this
No.
side is the same. Listen, we are not doing.
And what the hell? I'm not going to do the
no,
challenge.
9
huh?
minutes
The
Bhavini, you
two
have
of
to
us
do
will-
it, Bhavini. What the hell? Dikh raha hai? Since okay, guys, so what we are gonna do now is, since we can't decide if it was Bhavini or me, though I know it was Bhavini, what we are gonna do is we are gonna try and whoever finishes the remaining part first, that person wins, and the one who finishes off the remainder last, that person has to do the dare, and we will also let you all know what the dare is.
Before you start, I just want to say how fast you drink can also indicate something else. How fast you drink, okay?
Okay, whatever.
I am
Let's
not even
both
sure
of
if I want to understand what she's saying.
Arey, yaar, bhagab,
Three.
do.
3, 2, 1. I think Kashish finished first. She like put her glass down.
Yeah. Guys,
This
you all
is so
know it now.
unfair,
We have
oh my
literally
God.
like we have had like a drinking
Why?
game.
I was
Hey, don't be a spoil sport. Come on now. Come on, Bhavini. Enough.
Okay,
Have
yeah.
it.
So I think
I
Bhavini
didn't
gets
say it
is
first.
honor
bullying.
to tell you all what the dare is. Bhavini, please go ahead and let the viewers know what is the dare.
Yuck, yeah. Okay, so the dare is that I'm supposed to have chocolate dipped in ketchup.
I'm going to correct the
So-
dare. It's chocolate covered in ketchup. So
No,
yeah,
it
Bhavini,
means the same thing,
please
okay?
get your good gift.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to its channel.
As you can see, this is the sauce.
Okay. And now she's going to cover the chocolate in ketchup. To anybody who thinks that this is going to be a very good combination, guys, I'm going to literally tell you all it's not going to be, and you can always find a conclusion from
Let them
Bhavini's
try for
reaction.
themselves. Why are you like let them try for themselves. I think a good combination according to me.
Okay, Bhavini,
I would
once
Okay,
you
I've dipped
cover it.
okay?
Okay, I think that's good amount.
Okay, just count. Okay, I'm not going to have the whole of it.
You're
Just
going
have
to
it
eat,
like
this.
obviously. the entire thing. And you can't spit it, okay? How's it? I think I'm going to take you on full screen only. Hold on. Bhavya, go on.
Bhavani, it looks like
Bhavya,
you
go
were
on.
rushed.
We saw Bhavani just being pranky about it, so we know how did it taste.
That was bullying. Okay, I didn't lose. I won. You were the one who was losing. This is not fair.
Sure.
You won't have to pay for this, Kashish.
If 10 years from now, if I get famous and if my lawyers and if PR team comes and tells you to take this video down, then I hope you are not a difficult person to deal with. You started the
Very
recording?
nice.
Great.
So moving on from whatever we heard like 5 seconds before, yeah, so this was it for the video, and let me know in the comments below whose reaction did you like, and would you or would you not try a combination between chocolate and ketchup, as well as if I want to see a part 2 of this video or something new with the twins. So do let me know, and I hope you all enjoyed the video for the last time. Presenting to you all Bhavya and Bhavani Sharma.
Yay!
Bye guys. See you all soon. Take care.
Bye.
Stay safe.
Like this.
Bye.